That'd be a bad idea. What? Because so much to do, take me back down. So much because I don't know if you're fine. You don't
I'm
yell.
not trying to be loud, trust me.
Why'd you get scared so much?
I'm not getting scared.
Right. B. Oh. Cutest dog ever.
Look, he's gonna try and escape. He's 100% gonna try and escape.
And you. I love you. You love me.
With a
Big, big hug, get a kiss on me, dear. What are you gonna say?
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bite. This old man came rolling home.
What's that? I've never heard that before.
Really?
Boop.
You've never heard knick-knack, paddywhack?
No.
She's never heard knick-knack, paddywhack.